Hey creative friends, I just wanted to share this with you. I'm cleaning the house today, and earlier this week I did a video about soap nuts, and I am cleaning the house and I pulled out my cleaning vinegar, and I thought I should tell you about that too. So Heinz actually makes, probably other companies do too, but this is just the one I always see in my store. It's a natural cleaning vinegar, and it is the special cleaning strength, which is 6%. So that one little percent from your standard white vinegar that you use in canning to this makes a huge difference. My favorite thing to do with this is I'll put it on some soaked paper towels and then take a little bit of saran wrap and put the paper towels against the front of my shower head and wrap some saran wrap. Now be careful if you've got chrome or whatever, do a test because it's pretty rough stuff. But I put that on there, wrap it with some cellophane, and leave it for maybe 15-20 minutes, and I come back and it gets rid of all of that buildup, so you get really good shower spray that way. But it is awesome for floors. It gives you the directions there. A half a cup to cleaning your linoleum, or it's really good. And also bathroom film. This is really awesome to get rid of soap scum and bathroom film in around your bathtub and stuff. It's good to run through your coffee maker, and it will cut the grease. I'm going to tell you what, the little fans over your stove get filled with grease. I put a little bit of this in a little bucket with a little bit of this and water, and I let those soak, and I'm going to tell you what, it cleans those screens out so well. But why do these look different? Because this one, I put orange peels in. So I put orange peels in and I just add orange peels, but now there's so little in here, I'm just going to strain it into here. But the orange peels give kind of a citrusy scent, and also that orange oil is also beneficial to clean. So I just wanted to share, if you find a little cleaning vinegar, give it a try. Be careful. See, no rings. I don't wear my rings when I use these types of things because even though they're all natural, they can be very strong. So I wanted to share that with you. So between this, essential oils, soap nuts, I've got everything. Borax, I use borax, washing soda, all that stuff. But between all of that stuff, I can completely clean my house and feel good about it. So there you go. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.